Hey kids, I'm Julia. Welcome back to Learn with Julia. I'm so glad you could join us again. Do you know what AI really is? Let's learn about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a brain inside a computer. But what exactly does that mean? Well, imagine if your brain was made of tiny electronic circuits instead of neurons. That's kind of what AI is like. But instead of squishy stuff, it's made of code. This code tells the AI how to think, learn, and make decisions. It's like giving the computer a set of instructions to follow. AI can learn and solve problems just like you. It can figure out puzzles, learn new skills, and even come up with creative solutions to complex issues. Imagine a robot that can play games or a computer that can understand your voice. That's AI. It can recognize patterns in your speech and respond in a way that makes sense. AI is not alive, but it can seem like it. It can mimic human emotions and behaviors, making it appear as if it has feelings and thoughts. It learns by looking for patterns in information. For example, it might analyze thousands of pictures to learn what a cat looks like. Just like you learn your ABCs, AI learns by studying lots and lots of data. The more examples it sees, the better it gets at understanding and predicting. The more data it has, the smarter it gets. With enough information, AI can become incredibly powerful, helping us solve problems and make our lives easier in countless ways. You might be surprised to learn that you already use AI every day. Do you have a smart toy that talks or moves? That's AI. What about a virtual assistant on your phone or computer? AI again. AI is used in lots of cool ways. Have you ever used a funny filter on your photos or watched a movie recommended just for you? That's AI at work. It helps make things more fun and interesting. Remember how AI learns from data? It's a fascinating process where the AI takes in vast amounts of information and starts to recognize patterns. Well, the more data it gets, the better it becomes at its job. This is because it uses the data to refine its algorithms, making more accurate predictions and decisions. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. The more you practice, the better the dog gets at it. AI is similar. Just like a dog learns through repetition and rewards, AI improves through continuous data input and feedback. Let's say you're playing a game against AI. At first, you might win easily. The AI starts off with basic knowledge and simple strategies. But as you play more, the AI learns your moves and strategies. It adapts to your style of play, making it harder for you to win. It remembers your tricks and gets better at playing against you. Over time, the AI becomes a formidable opponent, constantly learning and evolving to challenge you in new ways. Section 4, AI loves to play. Speaking of games, AI loves to play. Many video games use AI to make the characters seem more real. These characters can move and react in surprising ways, making the game more challenging and fun. AI can also help create new games and stories. Imagine a computer program that can write new adventures for your favorite characters or design levels for you to explore. That's the power of AI. Section 5, AI and the future. AI is still young, but it has the potential to do amazing things. From revolutionizing industries to transforming our daily lives, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where AI can predict natural disasters, optimize traffic flow in real time, and even create personalized learning experiences for students. The integration of AI into various sectors is not just a dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. In the future, AI could help doctors diagnose illnesses, engineers design safer buildings, and scientists make groundbreaking discoveries. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately can lead to more effective treatments and innovative solutions to complex problems, and even help us fight climate change. By monitoring environmental changes and optimizing energy usage, AI can play a crucial role in creating a sustainable future. Imagine AI systems that can predict and mitigate the effects of climate change, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. The most important thing is to use AI for good. Whether it's providing disaster relief, improving access to education, or enhancing public safety, AI has the potential to make a significant positive impact on society. By learning about AI and how it works, we can ensure that it is developed and used responsibly. Education and awareness are key to harnessing the power of AI for the benefit of all. You can help shape its future and make sure it's used to make the world a better place for everyone. Together, we can create a future where AI enhances our lives, supports our communities, and helps us tackle the biggest challenges facing humanity. What is the most exciting thing about AI? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.